In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a bug in Jira and navigate the Jira bug status workflow. If you've ever faced a pesky bug but weren't quite sure how to document it properly, this tutorial is just for you. We're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you can efficiently log bugs and track them through the various stages in Jira. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Jira instance. This sets the foundation for everything we'll do today, so it's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, you want to head over to the specific project where the bug was discovered. This step is crucial as it ensures all the relevant information and subsequent actions are correctly associated with the right project and team. Now keep your eyes peeled for the Create button. You'll usually find this button marked with a plus sign. This is your launching pad, the gateway to starting a new issue within Jira. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a list of different issue types that you can create. Our focus today, of course, is on creating a bug. Select the bug option to move forward with documenting the issue. With the bug type selected, it's time to focus on filling in the details. A vital part of this is crafting a well-thought-out summary. Imagine your summary as a headline for a news article. It should be both concise and informative, capturing the essence of the issue in just a few words. Once you've nailed the summary, move on to the description. Here, leave no stone unturned. Describe the bug with as much detail as you can muster. You want to include instructions on how to reproduce the bug, lay out the differences between the expected behavior and what's actually happening, and add any additional context or insights that might aid a developer in understanding and addressing the issue. Don't overlook the power of visual aids. Attaching relevant files such as screenshots, logs, or any other documents that could aid in the debugging process is highly recommended. These attachments could be the key to swiftly diagnosing and resolving the issue at hand. After equipping your bug report with all the necessary details, it's time to click that Create or Submit button. This officially logs the bug into the system and kickstarts the journey through Jira's workflow. Once your bug is created, it's now part of the Jira bug status workflow. This typically kicks off with the status tagged as "to do." As work gets underway, team members will navigate the bug through various stages like in progress, in review, fixed, and finally, closed. Each transition signals a specific action or decision made by your team. One thing to keep in mind is that while Jira comes with a default workflow, it can be customized by administrators to better suit the needs of your project. With customizations, your project's workflow can be uniquely tailored to ensure efficiency and alignment with your team's operational style. Understanding these transitions is key to mastering the bug tracking process. Recognize how a bug transitions from to do to in progress, then in review, and finally gets resolved as fixed or closed. With this knowledge in hand, you're now ready to log bugs efficiently in Jira and support your team in managing each bug's trajectory through its life cycle.